Well, today I'm not 100% fit, we can say, because my throat is paining little bit, so my sound will be little bit awkward sometimes or little bit low. So this is the fourth tech updates, we can say weekly tech updates. So let's check it out what we get. Starting off with the Amazon. Amazon has announced a great project, and we can say the great plan for hospital or senior care stations. They have named as the Alexa project. So due to pandemic, there are many types of issues that someone cannot visit or XYZ. But with the Alexa help, each and every person can call anyone through the Alexa assistant system. So this is very great news. The next news is by the Apple. Apple Music is very popular, and due to this popularity, now it will be available in PS5. It is started. You can check it out. Windows 11 got some massive updates. Talking about the best update, I think it is you can install the Google Play inside your Windows 11, and you can play or use any app which is on the Play Store to Windows 11. So this is the great thing. Google Stadia has starting something new and very exciting. You can play 30 minutes of trial. You have to just signing in Google. So this is very amazing thing done by the Google. Each and every consult company doesn't do this type of thing, but it is firstly done by the Google. Talking about the very well-known company by its gimbal and by its drone, DJI. They have leaked the unreleased drone which is known by the Maverick 3 chain. The drone looks very amazing, and you will get the dual camera setup in the drone for side by side. One is used for the ultra wide, and second is used for the telephoto. The drone look very amazing, and it is charged by the Type C. This is how some of the accessories which you can make your own type of drone design as you like. DJI announced the camera, which is the modular magnetic action 2 camera, which is small in size, but it supports 4K recording, which is a very nice thing. And the compact camera by DJI. Talking about the Honor 50 is finally launched, and with the Google services and with the Google support, it is priced at 529 euros, which is a good price, I can think, as per the euros perspective. It is divided into different parts like light, Honor, and Pro, or XYZ. Just tell me if you are interested. I will make this video in the comments. And talking about the some highlighting specs of this phone, you will get the Snapdragon 778, which is a very good processor, 4300, or we can say 4500, 120 Hz OLED, 108 megapixel, and quad camera support. Microsoft is working on the cheapest laptop, we can say, which will known by the SE, which is for the low amount, and it is for only students, and the specs will be also very low because it will be supporting only 8 GB of RAM and a Celeron processor, USB Type A and Type C. So that's it. This will be the cheapest and has the Chrome OS inside it. Qualcomm has announced four new chipset, which we can say the successor of the previous one. You will get the 480 5G plus, which is the successor of 480. You will also get the 778G plus, which is also the successor of 778, and the successor of 690. You can see this video, which is the successor of 695. At last, there is also one 4G processor. which is 680. Talking about the Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, you can check it out that video. In that phone, the chip is there, which is owned by the Google Tensor chip, and another is iPhone chip. So many are telling that Google is powerful. So let's check it out on the Wednesday. Who is the winner? Talking about the Samsung Galaxy books, they are rumored up and it is told that it will be launching on November 11 and the prices will be starting from $750, which will be of i5 and it will go to $1,400. The premium one is known by the Odysseus and the starting one is known by the Galaxy Book 360 5G, which is a 360 laptop, we can say, and it is also a touchscreen laptop. And the premium one will get in the RTX 3050, which is told by the Samsung that it is a mid-range laptop. I don't like one thing of the Lenovo, which is they are not bringing their flagship in the India. They are always bringing the phones or a tablet which are weaker. Talking about the tablet K10, it is the weaker one we can say, which is by the MediaTek P22T, and the battery is 7500, which is the great battery. Huawei Watch Fit has been arrived in Amazon and which look very exciting, and it is told by the Huawei that it will support 10 days battery and has 97 pieces of watch. So let us see. Huawei FreeBuds 4i, which comes with the 10 nanometer drivers and it has the active noise cancellation and the price is 8,000 rupees. Huawei Watch Fit Lite, which will be coming with the SpO2 sensors and it will have the 96 phase and 14 hours of battery. That is priced around under 10,000 rupees. HTC HTC TWS has been arrived and it is priced around 6,000 rupees, which looks a very great in design. This is for the first time we can see worldwide HTC is doing something, and it is tells that it will be priced at 6,000 INR. IQ8 and Iqoo 8 Legend are very soon coming to the India, which comes with the very premium specs. Reno A56 has been launched and it is powered by the Dimensity 700. Motorola G200 has been leaked and might come with the Snapdragon 888, and there are also one leak that it will be coming with the 108 megapixel red camera. Motorola watch might be seen on the first phase of 2022, which is a very good looking watch. And the amazing thing it will be that it will be also having the stock Android in the watch, means the Wear OS. Let's check it out. What will be the Redmi Note 11 series will come with one extra color, which is the shallow dream color told by the Redmi, and there are three phones in this category, which is the 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Plus. Talking about the processor inside it, in first you will get 810 and 920, and the flagship one you will get 1200. There is also 120 Hz and 5000 mAh battery. This 11 series is powered by the JBL speaker, so the sound quality will be amazing, and it is confirmed that this series will support 120-watt fast charger. Fenda Audio, the karaoke party speaker has been launched. If you are interested in some type of party speaker, you can check it out. This, which is priced under the 15,000, and it has the 8 hours of battery life. Intel 12th generation has been launched and it comes in the three different category: i9, i7 and i5. It has the PCI 5.0 and DDR5 is also inside it. Intel tells that it easily beats the AMD, which is the next level thing told by the Intel, and the prices start from 20,000 to 45,000. I'm telling this price after the converting. And the another news is by the webcam. It is named by the ZING. It is coming under the rupees 1,500 or the exact value. If there is discount, I don't know. This webcam supports 1080 pixels video recording. So if you are a streamer, this will be best for you. Crossbeat has launched one TWS which has the 11 meters of drivers, which is large one, and it is cheaper as compared to some of the 10 meters, which is 3,500. Very expensive phone by the Oppo has been launched, which is the Oppo A54s, and it is priced at 20,000 rupees. Soundcore Select Pro, it is a speaker which is waterproof and it is priced at 8,000 rupees. So if you are interested, just check it out. Kodak CM Pro is the TV which is launched couple of days we can say, and it has 40-watt speaker. It is the cheapest I can say, which is starting from the 28,000 rupees. Sony Xperia VR set will be easily paired to one of the larger phone, which is the Mark Series 1, 2 and Mark Series 1, 3. Imagine that Oppo Reno 7 series, which is divided into two parts, which is Reno 7 and Pro, will launch suddenly in India, and the prices will be under 40,000. I can say this is the cheapest sound bar by the TCL, just starting from the 1,000, sorry, $180 only, which makes the TCL the cheapest sound bar in international. Thomson Oat Pro TV, which I can say is the cheapest one because it is a 4K and the 43-inch starts around the 25,000 rupees. So it makes this TV cheapest. It has the DR10, HDR10, which is also a great thing. Talking about the Nokia T10 tablet, it is confirmed in the Flipkart and it will have the 2K display. We all know that PlayStation 5 are sold very quickly and some are not getting the hands on the PlayStation 5, but only of PlayStation 5 and other electronics Sony has sold out 13.4 million, which is the profit of this all electronics, which is the great thing by the Sony. Talking about some of the Diwali offers by Vivo, you can easily buy Vivo V20 and X, some of the X series in just rupees 101, which Bajaj Finance card. Honor X series will come soon in India, or we can say it is near to buy the X30 talking about. And the last and the tech news is Huawei is starting to launch the Google services. Due to this, USA and many other companies are getting threatening of that thing. This was all about the weekly tech updates. Hopefully you like it. Subscribe the channel. This is the part 4. Fifth will be coming on the next week. Till then, subscribe our channel, press bell to all notifications so you never miss any other updates. Coming soon with another video.